Hi everyone, this is Fred from 4x4 Shop. Today we install our 10.25-inch Android screen in a 2010 Mercedes GLK and also in a 2014 Mercedes ML350. I'm going through the unit here, and right now I'm doing Apple CarPlay, and it's fully touchscreen. It's 9-inch screen, and you see it doesn't cover the vent. We have a lot of questions about, does the unit cover the vents? The answer is no. It's 9-inch and it's perfectly fine, and it comes with the bracket, and it looks like the new GL unit. And you can use full touch for the Apple CarPlay, Google Maps, and any other apps. By going to Mercedes, you can see the aftermarket menu, and by going to reverse, this ML came with 360 camera. It retains the camera as well. And by going to NTG mode, I can go back to command system. I go and show you the GLK now. With the GLK unit, I'm doing Android Auto, and this is 10.25-inch screen, and again this one comes with the bracket. It's perfectly mounted to the dash without any gaps. And same thing, you can go back to NTG mode. By touching the screen, you go back to the Android side. If you're interested to get these type of units, you can buy them online from 4x4shop.ca, or you can give us a call at 905-604-4294. And this unit, it's anti-glare blue screen with 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB of hard, same as the ML1. Thank you and have a great day.